susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Magtanong, mag-isip, huwag matakot magkamali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang mahirap ay dadali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang matyaga matututo. Magtanong, mag-isip, hey! Sabay-sabay tayo. Kaya mo, kaya ko. Matutunan ng math. Kaya mo, kaya ko. Mag-usap, magsikap, isip plus tyaga equals magaling.
Barang. Oo lang, sige. Kaya natin. Kaya yan. Teka. Ito na ako lang. Uy, dalaw ka. Meron din dito sa akin. Ito pa pinagtutulungan ako. Teka lang, ito na yun. Tinutulungan ka na nga eh. Teka.
Continuity. Ayoko na! Manood lang ako ng
MathGaling!
Hello mga bata! Ako nga pala si Ate Lee.
Ako naman si Kuya Matmat.
At ako naman si Ate Ga. At kami ang MathGaling! So Ate Ga, ano nga ba ang balak ituro sa atin ni Ate MathGaling ngayon?
Oo nga, tiga.
Kaya mga bata, ano gusto niyong ituro sa atin ngayon? Continuity! Aha! Gusto niyong matutunan ng continuity. Tama ba? Nako, mukhang masaya yan mga bata. Di ba Kuya Matmat?
Oo nga. Tara na magsimula. Tawagin na natin si Ate Matgaling.
Mga bata, sabay-sabay natin tawagin si Ate MathGaling. Sabihin nyo lang, Ate MathGaling! Ate MathGaling!
Isa pa mga bata.
Ate MathGaling!
Ako ba ang hinahanap ng mga batang magagaling? Ako si Ate MathGaling. At ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang continuity. Pero bago nga iyon, ano ba ang continuity?
Continuity. A function is continuous when its graph is a single unbroken curve. The function f is continuous at some point c of its domain if the limit of f of x as x approaches c through the domain of f exists and is equal to f of c.
Wow! Example ba yan ng continuity, Ate MathGaling?
Mukhang hindi, Ate Ling.
Oo nga, hindi. Dahil ang isa ay putol.
Tama ka ga. Malalaman mo ang isang graph kung continuity ito, kung tuloy-tuloy ito at hindi napuputol.
Oh, narinig niyo ba yon mga bata? Ang graph na ito ay continuity. Kung susundin niyo ang linya, ay makikita niyong hindi ito napuputol. Puro kara dito sa kabilang graph. Tama ba yon, Ate MathGaling?
Tama ka doon, Ate Lee.
Naintindihan niyo na ba mga bata?
Kung gayon, maglalaro tayo ng game. Magsusulat ako ng mga graphs at tutukuyin nyo kung ito ba ay continuity or not. Is it continuity or not?
Continuity!
Tama mga bata. Is it continuity or not?
Not continuity!
Tama mga bata. Is it continuity or not?
Continuity!
Tama mga bata.
Hala, Ate MathGaling, paano yan? Eh, hindi naman yan graph.
Oo nga. Hi guys!
Ngayon, ituturo namin kung paano nyo isolve yung function at kung paano malalaman kung continuous ba ang function na yon.
I'll hold the door, please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. I'll hold the door, please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life.
Ang sweet, ah? E-bake mo yan ng Bingo. Heart-melting chocolate cookies with smooth, creamy filling. Bingo! Kilig sa sweet.
Pag kailangan ng gamot, huwag mahihiyang magtanong.
Kung may right med ba nito? May right med ba nito? Pag may kailangang gamot, huwag mahiyang magtanong. Kung may right med ba nito?
Ang Right Med ay premium na gamot na kayang bilhin.
Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
Hi guys! So, malalaman natin na continuous ang isang function kung yung mga conditions na to are satisfied. Una, if A is a domain of a function. Pangalawa, if the limitation of f of x as x approaches A is equals to the value of f of A. Tapos dun sa number 2, dapat yung f of A niya is nag-e-exist and yung limitation niya is nag-e-exist rin. Tapos, dapat equal yung value nila. So, ang unang function natin is x minus 8, kung saan yung value ng a niya is equals to 8. So, step 1, isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng a dun sa x. So, magiging 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. So, therefore, f of a does exist. So, yung step 2 natin is yung limitation naman yung kukunin natin. Dun sa limitation, halos kapares lang siya nung step 1. Papalitan lang natin yung x ng value ng a, which is 8. So, 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore, yung limitation of f of x as x approaches 8 does exist. So, doon naman sa step 3, since yung limitation ng f of x as x approaches 8 is equals dun sa value ng f of a, which is 0, so therefore, the function is continuous at a is equals to 8. So, ang sunod nating function is x minus 10 over x plus 6, kung saan yung value ng a niya is equals to 6. So, sa step 1, substitute lang ulit natin yung value ng a dun sa variable x. So, magiging 6 minus 10 over 6 plus 6. So, 6 minus 10 is equals to negative 4, and 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. So, magiging negative 4 over 12 siya. Tapos, pwede pa siya natin siyang i-lowest term. So, ang kakalabasan niya is negative 1 over 3. Therefore, f of a does exist. So, sa step 2 naman, kukunin naman natin ulit yung limit ng f of x natin as x approaches 6. So, parang ganun lang din katulad sa step 1. Papalitan natin yung x ng value ng a, which is yung 6. So, magiging 6 minus 10 over 6 plus 6. Tapos, 6 minus 10 is equals to negative 4, and 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. So, negative 4 over 12. Tapos, pwede ulit siya nating i-lowest term. So, magiging negative 1 over 3 siya. So, therefore, yung limitation ng f of x as x approaches 6 does exist.
Moms! Tag 3 pataas, mag-bonakit preschool. 3 plus mas pinatatag na bonakit preschool. 3 plus batang may laban.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lovato Avocado, back here with another banger. If you like to dance, get on your feet right now. We finna get lit. Hey, hey, hey. them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit the molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Step. Step to the right now, step to the left. Slide to the right now, slide to the left. Go grab your friend, make sure you got breath. Alright, y'all. Since y'all just learned how to do the avocado step, go grab a friend. Let's do it again. Hey, let go. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk, now stab with it. Nay, nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. ATLANTA, Atlanta, Georgia song. Woo!
Dito naman, sa sample number 3, we have x squared minus 25 all over x plus 5 when a equals 5. So step 1, lahat nung x, papalitan lang natin kung ano yung value nung a, which is 5. Tapos magiging f of 5 is equals to 5 squared minus 25 all over 5 plus 5. Sabay yon, i-ano lang natin siya, i-simplify. Magiging 25 minus 25 all over 10. Tapos magiging 0 over 10 or equals to 0. Therefore, we can conclude that f of a exists. Dito naman sa step 2, hahanapin natin yung limit ng x squared minus 25 all over x plus 5 as x approaches 5. As we can see, yung x squared minus 25, pwede natin siyang i-factor out. Magiging x minus 5 times x plus 5. Tapos yung i-over lang natin yung x plus 5. After nun, ika-cancel natin yung numerator at denominator kasi pareho silang x plus 5. Then, ang matitira doon is x minus 5 all over 1 or x minus 5. Tapos, yung a natin isa-substitute lang dun sa x, which is x minus 5, magiging 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, we can conclude that limit f of x as x approaches 5 exists. Dito naman tayo sa step 3. Yung answer na nakuha natin dun sa f of a is equals dun sa answer na nakuha natin sa limit f of x as x approaches 5. Tapos, we can conclude that the function is continuous at a equals 5. Moving on sa fourth example, meron tayong f of x is equals to x minus 1 if x is less than negative 1. X squared minus 3 if x is greater than or equals to negative 1. Then, yung x is equals to negative 1. Dito, yung first step, pipili tayo ng isang expression kung saan siya mas pinaka-applicable. Ang pinili natin is x squared minus 3 kasi yung x niya is equals to negative 1. Tapos after nun, i-substitute lang natin lahat ng x sa negative 1. Then makukuha natin is f of negative 1 is equals to negative 1 squared minus 3. Then 1 minus 3 is equals to negative 2. Therefore, f of a exists. Doon naman tayo sa step 2. Kukunin natin yung limit ng function as x approaches negative 1. As we can see, itong function na to is piecewise. Kaya kukunin natin yung limit niya to the left tsaka to the right. Yung sa una, limit as x approaches negative 1 to the left, gagamitin natin is yung x minus 1. Pagkatapos doon, isa-substitute lang natin yung negative 1 sa lahat ng x. Ito magiging negative 1 minus 1 is equals to negative 2. Doon naman tayo sa limit of x as x approaches negative 1 to the right. Ang gagamitin natin doon is yung x squared minus 3. Tapos katulad din nung una, isa-substitute lang natin yung negative 1 sa lahat ng x. Magiging negative 1 squared minus 3 is equals to negative 2. So we can see pareho sila ng value nung limit limit from the right tsaka from the left ng function. Kaya we can conclude that limit f of x as x approaches negative 1 exists. Punta naman tayo dun sa last step, which is step 3. Yung answer na nakuha natin sa f of negative 1, which is 2, is equals dun sa answer na nakuha din natin sa limit f of x as x approaches negative 1, which is 2 din, negative 2 din. Therefore, the function is continuous at x equals negative 1.
Ay, ganun Ganun lang pala yung continuity na yan. Basic na basic.
Kung hindi mo pala nawaki. Oh, mga bata, naiintindihan niyo na ba ang continuity?
Hanggang sa susunod na episode na
MathGaling!
Class, please pass your assignment.
Let it time, can someone call a referee? Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice I mean maybe a couple of hundred times.
Magtanong, mag-isip, huwag matakot magkamali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang mahirap ay dadali. Magtanong, mag-isip, ang matyaga matutunan. Magtanong, mag-isip, hey! Sabay-sabay tayo. Kaya mo, kaya ko. Magtutunan ng math. Kaya mo, kaya ko. Mag-usap, magsikap, isip plus tyaga equals madali.
Ayoko na. Manood na. Boss.